Welcome back to Recycled and Saved. We've got a 2007 Drz400sm in really super nice shape. It's got aftermarket exhaust. Tires are pretty decent yet. It's about 15 degrees and we had to jump start it to get it going. I didn't put that back on. I did ride this bike once in the fall, but he wasn't ready to give it up at that point. And it was a high school bike for commuter purposes. He's off to college and he's home right now. So I know it runs well. I know it doesn't seem to burn any oil. Runs through the gears well. Everything ran good, worked good. So if you need any parts, again, 2007 Drz400sm. It's got a fender eliminator kit. Everything's here. Everything's good. Good bike, good parts. Make sure you subscribe down below to see what else we're taking apart this winter. Let us know what you need. Look our parts up on eBay to see what's still out there. Thanks for watching.